Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm at my allotment. I'm sorry about the background noise and the breeze noise in the background. We're in a big open field and the airport is pretty nearby, so we're going every now and then in the videos you might get the aeroplanes taking off and landing. You might get that sound in the background. So what I'm doing today down here, I'm on bed number 6 now, and I've got 2 more to dig out. As you can see, this bed has got some nice soil in there, like they put some sand or something in there, so I'm just going to dig these ones out. I've dug out bed number 4 as well, so I'm just ready for top dressing of manure. So like I'm saying, with your allotment, you've got your first allotment and everything. Just work with what's there. I'm working with what's there already. The beds were there already, so I said it's no use me breaking my back and digging up all the grass and getting it like that. So I thought the best thing for me to do, the beds are here already, some of them are boxing, the wood's a bit rotten. I was looking up the price of scaffold boards, but they're quite expensive for now, until I can find someone where I can get them from. So the beds are here already, so what I'm doing is just working with what's here. Then once I've got all these beds worked out, then I've got a strimmer. What I'm going to trim down all this grass and get it to a certain level, so that's more neater. And that's what my aim. I need 2 days of dry weather so I can get the grass dry, so I can get the strimmer onto it. So I'm going to continue with this and I'll be back with you in a minute. Right, so I've got the bed dug over, so all I'm going to do is go around the edges with this now, just neaten it up. You won't get it all neat, but or square if you're looking for that, but you just have to work with what you've got. That's this bed ready, so just gonna level off the soil so I can put a dressing of manure on top. So this bed is all ready, so I'll be back with you in a minute. Right, I'm going to go on to the next bed now. This is bed number 7 and number 8's already done. So these was what was on top of this plastic holding it down. Things like this, when you see things like this on your plot, always keep these kind of things. Don't throw them away, they're going to come in handy at some stage. You never know what for. So I'm keeping those. This is full with water, so it's getting the water to drain off now. It's going to make the soil soggy. Sorry about the airplane noise. Something that I'm going to have to get used to. You see what this one's like underneath. Got bits of cardboard and some weeds and that to pull out, so I'm going to do that one. So meanwhile, I'm going to get this one off down here as well. This is bed number 1. So I'm going to let this water soak in, then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everyone, so I've got the other bed dug out, got 1 more to go, but they're letting the water settle down on that one. I'm just going to bring round some manure now and just top dress these 3 beds what I've dug today. So on this allotment, you don't have to worry too much because they have a supply of manure coming in all the time. The pile is going down, so that's telling me that I've got to pick my spot where I'm going to start leaving my manure. And then, because this area here where the manure is, I was thinking of digging it up, but then I'm thinking my back and everything, so I will see as the season goes on what to do. So I'm going to bring round this manure and just top dress these ones, ready for the end of April, May, when it's planting time. And then I do that. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave any comments, leave a comment in the comment section. We will try and get back onto you as many as we can. So I'm going to do this and then I'll be back with you in a minute and show you what it looks like when I finish. Right, everyone, so I've dug out bed number 1. I'm just going to put some manure on it and top dress it now. All the beds what I'm going to work with are all dug out and top dressed. I've got a bit of grass area up there. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that yet, as I was saying. I'm going to measure it up and see if I can get my greenhouse there. Or if I can't get a greenhouse, then I'm going to put a polytunnel there. But that's all the beds done. That's all most of the hard work. Where these beds were quite easy to dig over. I know that grass bit would take me ages, so that's why I don't want to attempt it. So I'm just going to smooth this one out. As you can see, I'm putting a thick layer. Then when it comes to planting time now, I just dig this in properly. But for now, just putting a nice layer of manure on top. So I hope you all enjoyed this one. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment in the comment section. Remember to subscribe so you can always hit the notification bell and see when my future videos are coming out. So I hope you all enjoying the gardening season, and I'll see you all on the next one. Happy gardening to you all.